Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we're working on the all hands meeting. So once a month, our plant manager, Rich Horn, and the president of the company, Steve Debo, they bring all the employees together. We do an early session for the production workers, and then we do one at 7:45 for all the office workers. And we talk about safety, and we talk about all the different things in the next month that are going on at WireCrafters. We will show videos that the employees have made showing how they can make their job a little bit better. Some of these videos are 30 seconds, some are 2 minutes, but it's just little things to show how can we make our work environment a little bit better. It's really good because it keeps everyone up to date on what's going on within the company. And here at WireCrafters, where we have a couple hundred employees, we've got 2 shifts running. Many times, before you know it, not everyone knows what the other team's doing. So all that was put together today. It all looks good. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.